joining this session today with Minerva and Sangoma. Uh, I hope everyone is safe and we continue to keep providing more information on what we do through this medium of a webinar as more and more places are coming out of lockdown. So I hope we can see and meet each other very soon. So very quickly, as most of you all know, or some of you all might not know who Minerva is. So we are a
Hussein, we lost your voice.
sorry, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So Minerva is a distributor. We're based in Dubai, and we've been Minerva is more than 14 years old. So we've been focused on our core products, which is two-way radio, wireless, and unified communications. So just to give you a quick rundown on the markets that we cover the Middle East as well as the African belt for distribution from Dubai in Jebel Ali. So we can cater to multiple regions from based out of Dubai. We have different teams. We have a sales team, we have a customer service and support team, and we have a technical and logistics team to help you out in making it easier for customers to take goods from our logistics base in Dubai. At the same time, we do pre-sales activities to help you out in design as well as proposing the right solution for your clients. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we do. And we as a distributor mainly sell and only sell to partners and resellers. So you could be a reseller or an ISP or an integrator, and we can support you with your end clients. So we do not sell to end users directly. So that gives us the edge in working with partners and being more transparent with partners in designing their solutions for end users. So that's typically what we do. Product distribution is our key focus with pre and post sales support. I would just like to go quickly on the vendors that we have in our portfolio. So yeah, as I said, you could be a reseller, an integrator, or an ISP, and we can cater to all of. That's where we sell mainly, not to end users. So these are the vendors primarily that we work with. Most of you all have seen or must have done business with these vendors. So Motorola is for two-way radio systems and solutions. So we do DMR and Tetra. Cambium Networks is for wireless products for point-to-point and point-to-multipoint. So we're a distributor of Cambium as well. Bridgewave is again a wireless point-to-point for long distance links as well as for short distance E-band and licensed microwave. Sangoma and Dgium are now one company, and that's where we're going to focus today. So Sangoma is typically for unified communications, and now that it's part of Dgium, they're a big one company, and we have more products to offer. Avik is going to take you on the rundown for all the products and services that Sangoma has to offer. Regent is a military grade wireless mesh solution typically used in places where you do not have line of sight or you have critical applications. So coal mining, ports, these are the typical applications that you use Regent. ICT is typically a DC to DC power conversion company. Nomadics is a gateway, hospitality gateway solution. JPL is a headset brands that we do for, we're compatible with various vendors, including Sangoma and Dgium IP phones as well. So it's typically call center headsets, enterprise headsets, or we have a different range of headsets in there. RFS is for radio frequency systems. They're a coaxial cabling company. They do cables and connectors. And Cloud4Y is an analytics-based Wi-Fi company. So you have your malls or your any places where you want to get analytics of the users that come into your premises. So we do that as well. and Smart PTT is a dispatching software for Motorola Solutions. So this is just a very quick rundown on the vendors that we have in our portfolio. And today's topic being Sangoma and DGIM, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce Avik and hand it over to Avik. So thank you very much, gentlemen. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send it in the chat box. Thanks. Avik, over to you.
Thank you, Hussein. Avik, I've just made you the presenter, and you can present your presentation.
Okay. Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this webinar. Which is I think we are having very special times right now when everybody is working from home. Everybody is is going through some issues as the whole world gears up to handle the pandemic which is going on right now. But then I think as gradually most parts of the world are coming out of the whole thing, so I think the normal times are going to return back. But still, we are in a position where we should all be careful, and I hope that all of you guys are staying safe with your families. And the best way to communicate nowadays is thanks to the internet, that we have these webinars which keep on which we are doing on a very regular basis. So about myself, I basically manage the Middle East and the Africa and the Asia Pacific region for Sangoma. Today we'll be talking about specifically about some of the products that Sangoma has and has launched recently for the work from home scenarios and the virtual office scenarios which we are going through on a regular nowadays. So during the webinar, at any point of time, if you want to ask a question, please feel free to type in the chat box and we can address the question there. Or if it is a longish question, we'll possibly keep it towards the end of the session. And feel free to share the recorded version of this webinar to your friends, colleagues, and people who would want to know about how they can make the working from home experience much more easier and friendlier. So a brief introduction about Sangoma. Sangoma is basically a Canadian company. We were founded close to 35 years ago in sunny South Africa. And then from then on, our founders moved to Canada, where they established the company. We have seen a very strong growth in the past 6-7 years, where we grew from somewhere around a $10 million company to a $150 million company where we are today. And this is with increasing profitability, which is also bordered and has an effect on our stock prices, which have gone up tremendously over the past 2 or 3 years. We have a global presence with our headquarters based out of Toronto in Canada. We have presence across the US. One of our big centers is in Alabama, in Huntsville, where we have got more than 350 people. Besides that, we have presence across the North American continent. The European headquarters is based out of London, and we have presence across a lot of locations around Europe. The Asian headquarters is based out of New Delhi in India. We have a big team in Bangalore, which is the south of India, where we have full R&D, engineering, and support resources. We also have a manufacturing facility in Bangalore, from where we manufacture some of our product lines. Besides this, in this whole region, we are covered. We have offices out of Singapore, Australia, South Africa, out of Kenya, and quite a few other locations. We are a public company, so we have been listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange for quite a long time. And we have been also awarded the most performing stock in the year 2019. So we are a public company, and we have been public for the last almost 15 odd years. We have a huge customer base from all sizes, from small and medium businesses to enterprises to service providers. There are a lot of customers which we have, and these follow through all the spectrum of various types of enterprises, various verticals, and we address all of their requirements. We also run two of the biggest open source communities in the world. So most of you who are here would definitely have heard of the name Asterix. So we basically run Asterix as an individual platform. So we are responsible for running this open source community. We steward it. We have got a team of close to around 40 odd people who are working in terms of developing it, maintaining it, managing it, developing new features and things like that. We also run the other big open source platform called FreePBX. FreePBX has got close to around 5 odd million users around the world, and we'll be talking about it later. So basically at Sangoma, we run two of the world's largest.
Hello. هلا عم
hello.
بونس.
Sorry.
والله هيك على طلبة برميلة.
I think, can you put your mic on mute? Okay, so coming back, so we run two of the biggest open source platforms. So between Asterix and FreePBX, we have a huge sort of set of people who are there and who are using our platforms on a regular and daily basis. We have been awarded quite a few times by a lot of international companies. So basically, Sangoma is a company which is here to stay. It has been here around in this market on the voice domain for the past close to 35 years. Going next, so the biggest question which is there is working from home. I know many of you, or many of us rather, in the past 2 or 3 months have actually seen what home is, and possibly, I was telling my wife the other day that I have possibly seen her more in the past 3 months than I have seen her since the time when we are married. So, it is actually stressful to do work from home because all of us who are used to having a schedule, going out, going to the office, coming back, meeting people, but then now here we are all cooped up in our houses and trying to achieve something at the same time. So gradually, because of these, however, these situations, working from home is becoming the new normal. Previously, the work from home concept was always there because companies wanted to save on cost, they wanted to save on travel restrictions, space restriction, have geographically distant manpower working together and stuff like that. But then the actual work from home culture, I think, has come out during this point of the pandemic where, because of the COVID situation, possibly the complete world has gone into a work from home mode. And it is, though several lockdowns are getting over, people are coming back to office, but then there are also talks of, second, third waves of COVID, and you never know what's going to happen in the future. So work from home is a concept which is here to stay. In this whole process, I think we as Sangoma have been working pretty consistently in order to see how and where sort of we could be useful and assist all our customers and our partners to actually get acclimatized to this, what we call the new normal. So when you are talking about working from home, so what are the basic requirements that you would need while you're working from home? The very basic requirements that you have are specifically telecom. So basically you would need to have some sort of internet connection, or you would need to have some sort of phone line or something like that, so you can talk to your partners, to your customers, or to your colleagues. You need something called a remote extension. Basically, you need to be connected in some way to your office system or your work system in a manner such that you are in a position to exchange ideas, to communicate, and to talk or see or to do, any sort of activity around that. You need to have audio and video conferencing because Conference calls are the new normal. Everybody has to, whenever you have to take a call or a decision, there is involvement of multiple people, and you land up in talking to many people at the same time. So therefore, audio or video conferencing tools which are needed, collaboration, where you can actually work together on a piece of paper, or like on a virtual paper, or work together on a presentation, or work together on an idea, steamroll an idea and see how it goes. So you need some collaboration tool, and of course you need computing, which is basically a laptop or a computer or something like that. And most important is that you need a proper listening device and the speaking device. Without a proper listening and speaking device, homes can be pretty noisy. You would have possibly your pets there, or you'll have your children there, or you have the stubborn car which is honking outside. So you have hundreds of distractions. So at the end of the day, the most important thing is a proper listening device and a proper audio visual sort of help with which you can attend all your requirements and all your calls. Now, from a Sangoma perspective, how do we help you? So we provide you with all the options that I spoke before. So we provide you with the telecom side. So we provide you with a complete unified communication system, which you can connect to any sort of telecom or IP or the internet to have this whole system evolve. We provide you with the UC system, which provides you remote extensions from which you can actually call, dial in, or communicate with people. We provide you with the audio and the video conferencing piece, which gives you, audio video conference. We provide you the collaboration piece. We do not provide you the computing, which you can go and buy from, or get from HP, Dell, Lenovo, whatsoever it is. And we provide you the headset or the audio devices. So practically, we complete the full circle. And this is something which is essential and is important, because when you come to Sangoma or any of our partners, you are getting the complete requirements addressed from a single vendor. Going forward, we have been standing by and with our partners and customers during these difficult times. We have been providing the unified communication solutions, which we have on a pure software or cloud-based model, which helps most of our customers not to go out and reach out to them, but they can actually set up the system while sitting at home or at their locations. All teams at Sangoma have been fully operational, whether it is our pre-sales teams, our logistics teams, our shipping teams, so that they can be able to ship, configure, manage, maintain your systems. We had a very strong last quarter, therefore sales has been good. So, which we have seen that, people are gradually, as they adapt themselves to this new normal, they are actually accepting what Sangoma is providing to them and are using it in a very good manner. And we develop new resources every week. So we are putting in a lot of, DIY or do-it-yourself videos and ways and means of configuring your systems. Okay, many new sort of application platforms which can help you and assist you in moving through and moving through these systems, as well as to implement and to make the systems keep running and keep working in a quick manner. You can see all of those if you go to www.sangoma.com, remote workers. You can have a full view of all the things that Sangoma has been doing over the past few months. Next, we talk about our go-to-market strategy. So Sangoma as an OEM has always followed a distribution strategy. So we work very strongly with our distributors, who are the people who hold stock of our equipment and have the technical and the sort of commercial expertise to solve all your problems. The distributors are further selling to the system integrators or resellers who are there near to you. So we have regional distributors who are there. So for example, Minerva in this case is our distributor in Dubai, and they work with our partners and our resellers everywhere around the world, or rather in their region, to sort of educate them about the product, to help them sort of design the solutions which your customers might need, to stand behind you when you need support, and to assist you to provide the best solution to your customers. These resellers then sell to the end customers, which might be enterprises, small and medium businesses, SOHO, service providers, whosoever it may be. So all of these people together, come and make the Sangoma ecosystem, okay, wherein our distributors selling to our system integrators, and the system integrators further selling to the enterprises. In very specific cases, we do very large OEM deals, which are original equipment manufacturing deals, in which case we work with people like British Telecom, or we work with people like Reliance or somebody like that, where there's a major big carrier which is there, which works with us. And in those sort of situations, we might sometimes go into an OEM deal. However, in all sorts of cases, whichever are there, we are always going through our distributors and through our reseller channel. Okay, now the question is, what is unified communication? Unified communication is something which is a term which has been used very frequently, and we see this term being used much and much more commonly nowadays. Now, what is the main sort of crux of unified communication is that as an individual, we should be able to be accessible and available on voice, video, chat, call, any sort of communication method at any point of time. That is the whole thing about unified communication. So the idea of doing or sort of promoting unified communication is that at any point of time, no one can be bound to be just talking to through a single mode or a single medium, and that makes the whole difference. So what we talk about today is that business communication has actually moved away from voice. As you can see, the maximum time that people spend on business communication is through webinars and web meetings, followed by emails, and then coming number third is actual telephone calls. So gone are the days when everybody was supposed to have a phone number, and the only way that you could communicate is by voice. Most of us today are communicating primarily through voice, video, chat, file sharing, messaging, video conferencing, conference calls, and stuff like that. So therefore, it becomes very, very, very important for a normal office work to have all these elements of communication in a single place. And that exactly is unified communication. From Sangoma's side, we bring forward a complete unified communication portfolio. So what we do is we give you our cloud-based unified communication platforms, which are both available on software, cloud, as well as hardware appliances. This product line is called the PB Exact, which is basically the unified communication brain, or the communication manager behind everything. We have our range of clients, which are soft clients, which are available on Android, iOS, or Windows, through which you can actually communicate at any point of time. And you can also do much more, which we'll see in the next few slides. We have a complete collaboration platform called meet@sangoma.com, which is basically a video conferencing platform and a collaboration platform which you can use to exchange ideas and hold live video conferences. We have an on-premise system, so we have the same PB Exact, which is there, which is on-prem. So in that sense, what it means is that it has so you can actually host it in your own office and not put it on the cloud. And then we have a complete range of endpoints which provides a lot of, different types of phones, headsets, and things like that with which you can connect and complete this whole circle. So if I go to the next slide, when I talk about is that how Sangoma assists you is by being a single vendor, which provides you the complete unified communication stack, starting from the open source. So what I was talking about before, that we actually support two of the biggest open source communities, which is Asterix and FreePBX. So we provide, manage, maintain, bug fix this whole open source domain for voice communication, with which all of our customers, partners are basically using it to download the same and develop more applications on their own. So we stand behind that. That is one. Going to the next step, we provide you an integration medium between any sort of legacy TDM equipment or old analog telephony equipment with IP. So we have a range of media gateways, telephony boards, and session border controllers, which can connect any sort of telecom infrastructure, whether it is FXS, FXO, PRI, BRI, SS7, SIP, CAS, R2MFC, anything to IP. And when I talk about IP, it is basically connecting any sort of or any means by which a call or data has to come in through the telecom operator to the system, with which you can actually use that data for your daily use. Going forward to the next step, we bring about a complete system of software and hardware based UC integrated solutions. These UC solutions are flexible phone systems or PBXs or IP-PBXs, which bundle in not just the traditional calling features, but also bundle in the complete unified communication stack. So you can actually do video calling, can you share your screens, can chat, can do a normal phone call, can do conferencing, can do everything on these platforms. Moving a step forward, we have our own appliances, which are specifically tested to work on these work for these unified communication software. So you can buy the appliances from us, or you can buy them from HP, Dell, Lenovo, whosoever are the standard grade hardware equipment provider. However, when you come to us and you buy our appliances, the benefit that you get is that the appliance that you're getting is a custom made appliance only running the unified communication software. It is not like a general purpose machine which can do multiple things. It has been tested with this particular software running on it over a period of time. Then we have our endpoints, which are different types of phones, and soft clients which run on multiple platforms, to just complete this whole circle of being a single vendor full UC solution. So we have landed up in becoming something like more like a mini Cisco or a mini Avaya, wherein we provide you the complete communication or the voice communication stack under a single window. The benefit that you get out of this is all of these things are very strongly integrated. Second, all of these come from the same vendor. So what happens is, if you have, you do not have to do any sort of integration between multiple parts. You don't have to run from one vendor to another to troubleshoot and things like that. It becomes very easy from your perspective to use this application as they are and leave all the troubles to us or our partners or our distributors, who can actually handle them in the best way. So we talk about our, as we go forward, we talk about the working from home solutions, which we give, and we'll take all of those components one by one so that, we can talk a little more about them. The first component which we have is the complete unified circle, which we talk about PBXact, Zulu, Sangoma Meet, headsets, and phones. So these are the 5 pillars on which the complete virtual office or work from home concept is made from Sangoma's perspective. We start with the beginning, which is PV Exact, which is basically a complete unified phone system. This is basically a out of box commercial product. It comes with all the features that you can think of in a unified communication system, all built in and ready to work on day one. The best part is it doesn't have any licenses, so it is completely license free. Whatsoever you pay on day one, you can keep on using it for years to come. There are some add-on options, like for example, for a call center or for high availability or for hospitality, for which you need to pay a small license fee. But then generalistically, 95 or 98% of all the features are all built in from day one. It has very easy integration with any sort of PSTN or legacy phone system, as well as legacy infrastructure which is there. So you can actually use our cards, our boards, our gateways to connect to any sort of legacy infrastructure which you have, or even to a legacy phone system. There is a very easy integration which we get from a CRM perspective. So we can integrate with multiple CRMs, whether it is Sugar, Suite, Salesforce, Zoho, Microsoft Dynamics, whatsoever it is. These CRMs are integrated with Sangoma by a web-based mechanism, so it doesn't require complicated API-based programming. Another very good feature about our product is that we, as our central core UC phone system, can work with phones from other vendors. So the biggest challenge which everybody faces when they are changing a system is the central part is one, but then the bigger problem is the multiple phones which are there around you. So you might be changing a single PBX, but you would then tend to change, let's say, 400 phones. In our case, you do not have to do that, because we are working and we support more than 20 plus vendors and more than 500 odd models of phones, so that you can use these phones with our systems. And later on, as you plan to migrate out of them, then you can gradually keep on changing those phones. The same unified communication platform with all the different variables which are there, which I told you about, is available in a software version also. So therefore, what benefit you get is that you can actually roll this up into your own data center or into a virtual machine, which can be located in a single country, wherever it is, and then you can have this available and accessible for all of your users. These sort of UC systems are available for deployment and are specialized also for multiple deployment landscapes. So whether it being a school, a community living, factories, hotels, business center, or hospitals. So we have some specialized applications which are very specific to these sort of landscapes, and we have been deploying these across. On the bottom of the slide, you can see some of the names of, in UAE and around Middle East, where we have deployed, including people like, Uber, Amazon, Ooredoo, Kalam Telecom, Fly Dubai, Etisalat, etc. So these are some of our customers who are there, who are using these solutions in some way or the other, and have been using it for quite some time in the past. Okay, to talk about what exactly do you get from a UC platform like PV Exact. PV Exact is a complete remote phone system. So what it means is you get everything that is needed. So you get complete business features, which supports video calling, has a secure communication platform as it is connected to the endpoints through VPN, supports announcements, text to speech, calling queues, has a fax server which is built in, has a fax and voicemail to email facility. It has a built-in conference bridge. And mind you, the conference bridge is not restricted. So you have a conference bridge which is capable of supporting as many users as there are on the PBX. It is not restricted to the number of licenses that you buy like in other systems. It has huntering groups, music on hold, voicemail blasting, personal IVR, whatsoever you need from a business communication system. On the calling side, it comes pre-built with a unified communication client, which is called Zulu. Zulu is our unified communication client, which is available and is available from day one. It supports other things like three-way calling, call transfer, call recording, call waiting, call blacklisting, screening, whatsoever is required from a calling perspective. Important things to note here is that multiple levels of IVR is built in. There is no license for that. Inbuilt recording is also built in, so there is no requirement of buying another recording solution. Third is it comes pre-built with the unified communication app. So you do not need to add any other license or something for the UC apps. On the integration side, we can integrate it with any sort of legacy telephony system, or you can integrate it with things like boom barriers or SIP cameras or SIP speakers or overhead pagers, failover devices and stuff. So basically, this UC system becomes the heart and the brain of your office. You can control cameras with it. You can see, multiple.
فيديو كونفرنسي.
Sorry.
يا هلا.
Rohan, is it possible to maybe mute everybody?
Yes,
Or
I've
can
done
everybody
that. I've done that.
mute? Okay. So there might be some who are not on mute, so I think we're catching on background noise.
Yeah,
So
apologies
I
for
just
that.
request everybody, I would just request you to just put your mics on mute so that, we could carry on and then we. Okay. Okay. So from an integration perspective, as I was saying, we can connect with multiple platforms, and this system becomes the heart and the brain of your organization, wherein it can give access to people. You can see who's coming in. You can make announcements throughout the organization. You can actually control your organizations using the system. The next part is the important part, which we talked about before, that you can actually use phones and IP phones from vendors, other vendors using our system. These are some of the vendors who are certified with us, and there are many, many, many more. And if you go to wiki.sangoma.com, you can find out a list of all the phone models which are also certified with us. The whole thing behind this is that you can actually use all of these vendors' phones and these models to connect to us, and you can actually auto configure these phones using our system. This is a very unique feature which is not available with any other vendor, because generally, if you are basically taking an Avaya system, you would need to buy an Avaya phone. If you're taking a Cisco system, you would need to buy a Cisco phone. We do not go by that policy. We say that bring your old phones, keep your old phones, retain them, and you can use it with our systems. And then when you are growing tired of those old phones, then that might be the point of time when you change it and start using our phones. On the physical hardware and the appliance side, so we have, as I said before, we have the software version also, as well as we also have appliances which can actually cater from as low as 25 users and can scale up to 5,000 users. These appliances come in multiple variants. All of these appliances have inbuilt memory, have got inbuilt solid state hard disk. Many of these come with dual power supply and redundant power supply and multiple Ethernet ports. These appliances can be deployed as standalone mode, in high availability mode, as well as they can be deployed in clusters. So based on what your usage is and what your requirement is, you can plan your deployments accordingly. Okay, the next important point which we talk about is what is called a soft phone. Now, all of you would be, experiencing the fact that when we start working from home, the least possible thing that you would have is an IP phone at your home, because you would have left your phone on the desk in office. Now, if anybody is calling you on your office number, how to answer that phone sitting at home? There are two ways of doing it. One of the ways is forward that office phone number to your mobile number and answer it, which is a very, sort of tricky solution, because in that case, your mobile number is something which is known to everybody, or, your mobile number is being used, your personal mobile number is being used for official purposes. The other way is to use a soft phone. A soft phone is basically an application which you can install on your Android, on your computer, on your iOS or your Apple phone, and that becomes your extension. Now you are free to go. Wherever you are, as long as you have some data connectivity, all your phones which land up at the office number will land on your soft client. Therefore, in our case, what happens is that you can have as many as 5 installations of this soft client in 5 different devices with one extension. So for example, your extension is 501, you could have a soft client installed on your tab, on your mobile phone, on your laptop, on another mobile phone, and on another laptop. So whenever a call comes to you, it will ring at 5 different locations and places, and you can pick it up from a single location. That is something which is the beauty of using a unified communication platform, because what happens is you are never out of reach. So whether you're carrying one of your phones or your tablet or your laptop, you are always accessible. And the important part is that you do not have to give out any of your personal numbers. You can actually use your office extension, and that suffices your requirement. We call our soft phone as Zulu. It is called, it has both a desktop and a mobile version. As part of the Zulu client, you can not only receive calls and make calls using your office number, but you can also see the presence of all the people in your office group. You can create chat rooms so that, for example, sales can have a separate chat room, pre-sales can have a separate chat room, marketing can have a separate chat room. You can create them on the client and you can chat within yourselves. You can share videos, you can share files, you can, share messages, you can chat live. You can even integrate that with a CRM such that every time, for example, there is a Salesforce lead which comes in, it will give you a pop-up on your on your soft client. So this is all possible, and this soft client can work with Windows, with Android, as well as with iOS or Apple. It is by default free of cost and comes pre-built with any PBXact system, so you are not paying anything for using the unified communication feature of our PBX. And the biggest point is all of the interaction that you do with the soft client is recorded. So this is unlike a WhatsApp, where today, for example, you might want to just delete the, the call history or the WhatsApp contact and everything goes off. The administrator has access to this, and they can actually, see what is the exchange that is going on between you and somebody else on the soft client. That is a very good thing. Secondly, what every soft client, when it connects to our PBX, establishes a VPN connection between the actual Android, iOS, or the Windows phone or laptop and the server. So you get extra security in terms of, protecting your data and your communication. So just to summarize, the benefits that you get from using a Zulu client is, first of all, it can be installed on desktops as well as mobile phones, can be used for team collaboration, have unified communication with click-to-call, presence, and visual voicemail and things like that. Okay, Another good thing which we launched, and this was specifically launched during the COVID times in order to sort of go away with the monotony of staying at home, Sangoma launched a platform called Sangoma Meet. All of you guys can access this at meet.sangoma.com. This is a video conferencing cum collaboration platform. It can host as many as 50 users at the same time, and this is free of cost right now. So this was basically done as a CSR initiative for giving back to society, so that there's a platform with which you can actually communicate with your friends, families, relatives, and stuff, and others in a very useful way, and see each other. You can have both scheduled meetings as well as you can meet on the fly. You can invite anybody by sharing a URL, which is via email, text, instant messaging, or WhatsApp. You can also invite audio only participants because they can join in by dialing in numbers. You can chat during the call. You can share your screens. You can share presentations. You can do collaboration on it. You can easily switch between video and screen share. You have moderator rights and control. And the best part is this is browser based. This doesn't require you to install anything on your laptop or on your phone. This also has clients which you can download on iOS and Android. So you can join from the phone, and it works on any sort of WebRTC compatible browser like Chrome or Firefox. The best things about this as compared to other public collaboration platforms is that it is password protected and is more secure, and you have, you cannot have anybody and everybody jumping onto their calls, because it is only the person who has that particular link and the URL can actually join the call, and it is based on rights of admission. So this is something which we did specifically during the COVID times, and we have been using it in a very big manner internally. And I would recommend all of you guys, whosoever is looking for a platform, to sort of use this in a big way. As a commercial version, this would be launched pretty soon. And one of the sort of ideas of launching this platform is to have it as a private cloud. So today, for example, if you are a company and you do not want to go on a public cloud with Zoom or Teams or Cisco's GoToWebinar, GoToMeeting, and things like that, but then you want to have your own collaboration platform which is running on your own hardware or on your own data center, this is perfect for that, because then what you could do is you could actually set up a cluster or have this application installed on a data center, and then you control all your meetings, you control all your collaboration, you control your teams. So therefore, you would have a single platform which can be also marked and sort of marketed as your platform, which you are using only for your requirements. And this prevents any sort of data leakage. This prevents any sort of data pilferage and sort of personal sort of liberty libel issues. And this could be only for the company, for specific companies, for company-wide requirements. This is a very good tool which can also be used for schools, because as gradually, I don't think that schools would be opening soon. So they are mostly going on the remote training or the remote sort of working environment. So then schools are very vulnerable to having security issues with using IT and platforms, because they can be hacked or there are security compromises which happen. Using this platform, it helps in making a private cloud for schools specifically, on which they can host their own meetings and use this as a study tool. To feel free to use this platform, just go to meet.sangoma.com. As of now, for every free meeting, you can join in with 50 users. But then for the commercial version, there is no limitation for the number of users based on the backend processing capability. Okay, going to the next step, we come to our endpoints. So our entry-level endpoints are the A series IP phones. Very robust, very useful, looks good, all color with 2.8-inch color screens. All of them are PoE, Power over Ethernet enabled, supports HD codecs and three-way conferencing. All of these come with inbuilt VPN and the capability of doing or physically calling even from their web interface. Priced very efficiently, available locally. So throughout the Middle East region, these are available at multiple locations in bulk. Have a very low fault rate. The fault rate on this is less than 0.2% of the total number of units we ship. So the A20 is the megabit phone. The A22 is a gigabit phone. The A25 is one of the few phones in the world which has 2 LCD screens. So many of you as partners would be quoting in tenders and places like that. This is a very good thing for speccing those tenders. The A30 is like a standard executive phone which is there. The second series of our phone is the S series phones. Again, a series of low-end, entry-level to high-level phones. The only difference between the A series and the S series is that the S series supports 5-way conferencing. Also, these definitely support HD codecs and Power over Ethernet. The S206 is a black and white backlit model which has 2 SIP accounts and is the entry-level phone. The S505 is a mid-level executive phone which is good for usage and is one of the most popular models of our phones. The S705 is a Wi-Fi phone. It can connect over Wi-Fi to any corporate network. Secondly, it also has Bluetooth, so you can connect your Bluetooth headset to this phone. You don't need to pick up the phone in terms of answering any calls. Now, this range of phones is also available locally with Minerva and with our partners in the Middle East and Africa, and you can connect with them. All of these phones also have the ability to connect an EHS or an external headset connector with which you can connect any call center headset. The third category of phones is the D series phones. These phones are mid-level executive phones. All of them support 5-way conferencing, comes with PoE. The D80 is a specific phone which is an all Android phone with a 7.6 7-inch HD color touchscreen. If any of you guys like to play Angry Birds on the phone, that is the phone for you. So you can actually sort of install quite a few Android apps on this phone, and this is a good executive phone. It also supports Bluetooth, so you can connect your Bluetooth headset. The D60, 62, and 65 are standard phones which are there, which are both entry level as well as mid level for executives. All the Sangoma series of phone by default comes with PoE and by default comes with HD codecs. So that is something which is by default across the A, S, and D series. We have an expansion module which is called the EXP100. This is basically the module which sits on the receptionist table, which can actually showcase the different extensions that you have on the PBX. You can daisy chain as many as 6 of these to provide as many as 240 programmable keys, or basically for a receptionist to see 240 extensions. So this goes standard with the Sangoma S series phones. There is another sidecar in the similar manner for the A and the D series phones. Then we have our DECT phone system. Okay, so this is the DC201. The DECT, the difference between us and others is, in our case, one base station support as many as 20 handsets. All of our handsets have a changeable battery. So unlike, for example, most DECT handsets, which are all very similar to the Apple or Android phones, wherein if there is a problem with the battery, you have to throw the handset away. In our case, you can just change the battery and get along with it. The screen on the handset is toughened so that if it falls and gets kicked around, it doesn't get broken. It has a headset jack also, so you can connect your normal earphone to the same. This is a very good solution for factories, logistics, ports, airports, and stuff, where you can actually have these phones connected and it can be used in a rough way. It has a long talk time and a standby time of around 75 hours, which basically supports a long charge on the battery. Okay, so just to summarize on the phones. So all of our phones have PoE, they have high definition, they have inbuilt VPN, they have zero touch provisioning and have encryption. So I'll just want to dwell on one topic, which is zero touch provisioning. Zero touch provisioning basically means that you do not have to go and configure each phone separately. In our UC platform, you have templates which you can make for every phone. And then what happens is that the phone connects to the PBX, picks up that template and configures itself. Last part of the presentation, I talk about the H10 wireless headset. It's a newly launched product. So this provides you excellent noise cancellation. It has a very high standby and talk time, has superior sound quality, and is a DECT-based headset. It basically competes with people like Jabra and Plantronics and is priced very effectively as compared to them. So this is something which you can use as an executive headset. So as I said before, Sangoma basically is providing you the full circle of products for virtual offices or work from home. These are some of our international customers who have been using our UC platforms for years, and they stand by us. As you can see that the customers are there in multiple verticals, whether it is manufacturing, banking and finance, original equipment manufacturing, OEMs, telcos, carriers, and others. So we work with practically all verticals and all types of customers. And the best reason that we work with all of them is because we are not, we would not sort of assume ourselves or call ourselves the Rolls Royce of the world, where we are the most pricey company to work with. But then, and we are neither the Kias of the world. We would claim that we are the Toyotas of the world, where we give you value for money. We give you a good product, a product which performs to its standards and it works. And the best part is that you just fill it, forget it, and use it. So that is what Sangoma is. And we have transitioned over the last few years into being a full unified communication company. We have been working very hard at developing innovative solutions around the same. And the best part which is there is that we have actually been able to assist thousands of customers in these COVID times to actually start adapting to work from home scenarios. There are schools who have been using our platforms for doing online classes. There are big enterprises who have gone across multiple geographies, who have used our platforms totally remotely, installed them totally remotely, and are using them today to sort of communicate and work through. So that is all that I have for you guys. I would just say that, you know, stay safe, stay indoors, and keep on using Sangoma to keep your work running. With that, I end today's webinar. So the question is, yeah, so let's have some questions.
Yeah, thank you, Avik, for that insightful presentation. What I'll do is I will share your presentation slides along with the recording of this session to all the partners. I believe Rajdeep Singh has a question. He has shared it in the chat box. If you can address that one.
Yeah. So Rajdeep, India happens to be one of our big markets, and we, as I said before, and I mentioned during the presentation, we already have manufacturing in India. Actually, one of our major product lines is completely manufactured in India for the whole world production. And I think we continue working on that. So therefore, I think we would be after this India-China thing, I don't know how far it will go, but then wherever it draws a line, I think we still continue to manufacture in India, and we can possibly sort of look at expanding that.
Okay, I think any other questions, as we have run out of time, an hour for this webinar. Any questions the partners are free to address over the email. I will copy Avik and my team in the email, so any other questions you can actually share it over email.
Okay, so Rohan, I think let's give it maybe 5 minutes to let them ask questions if they have. That's easier, I think, rather than putting them on the email. So let's just address whatsoever is coming through. So Abiola, how do I become a partner in Nigeria? So I would suggest that you can just send in me an email directly. You have my email ID on your screen, and we can talk about how and what are the options of partnering in Nigeria. Ahmed, billing system and PMS solution. Okay, so we have a billing system which is integrated with our UC solution, and this billing system is a combination of a billing cum rating engine. So you can develop your own rating decks, charging decks, and you can actually generate bills based on extensions or groups of extensions. It's a fairly decent solution. There is an additional charge for it, which is a one-time license which you pay for the billing system. On the PMS solution, we on one hand integrate with people like Fidelio and Micros, which is the standard PMS solutions which are there in the market. On the other side, we also have our own homegrown PMS solution, which is specifically for small bed and breakfast, lodges, and hotels. This PMS solution is very cost effective, and it can do practically most of the functions like check-in, check-out, management of room inventory, management of restaurants and things like that. And it again comes for a one-time cost, which is available. So you can actually buy it as a license and you can use it. So if you need more details about it, please do contact me or Hussein at Minerva, and we can give you details. So Sujit, do you offer subscription model licensing? Yes, we have on the software side of the PBX, we do have subscription-based licensing. It is based on a SaaS model. Now the question is, however, that we do not do it on any of the appliances, so we only do it on the software piece, and you can actually pay on a monthly basis. So that is something which we do. Krishna, generate billing based on extension. Can't we generate billing based on PIN number? Yes, Krishna, you can also generate billing based on PIN numbers, but then for that, the PIN activation of the class of service has to be activated. Fadi, Sangoma Meet platform available at all region and came into this. Okay, the Sangoma Meet platform is a totally different platform from the PBXact platform. It is a completely web-based, cloud-based platform. This is something which right now is hosted in the US and people are using it from there. However, this platform is available as a software only model to be installed on a private cloud. So therefore, we do not have a hardware based solution. We can give you the, or when the commercial model comes in, and if you want to opt for it, we can provide you this solution as a completely private cloud, where it will be based on a managed services mode, wherein you will have a monthly subscription fee based on the number of users or concurrent calls, and we will manage and maintain the same for you, but it will be on your private cloud. Next is Prince. What components of your UC solution require license? Okay, so there are only 6 licenses which are there on our UC solution. First license is for the call center module. If you want to run a call center, on our UC platform. Second is for third-party phones. So if you are not connecting Sangoma phones, but you're connecting any other phone, there is a system-wide license fee. So there is only a one-time license fee, which is for the whole system, so that you can connect any number of vendors to that phone. That is second. Third, we have a license for using a property management solution, which is again a paid license, which is there for the PMS. Fourth, we have a license for using high availability. So if you are taking two systems and configuring high availability, then you have to pay a license fee. Fifth, we have a license for you to have a billing system. So if you want my billing system, then that has a license fee. Sixth is we have a license for queue wallboards and queues for the contact center part. So based on the number of queues that you use, there is a license fee. So these are the only 6 licensed options. Everything else is included and is free of cost. Can we join Sangoma Meet meetings from Zulu? Okay, so you can join. Okay, as of now, Zulu and Sangoma Meet are two different sort of I would say infrastructure, because the physical infrastructure is different. So we have a separate client for Sangoma Meet, which you can download from Android or iOS, from which you can join Sangoma Meet. In the near future, you will have integration between Zulu and Sangoma Meet, and then you can join, you can basically, these two systems will come together as complementary products which can be sold together as a cluster. At that point of time, you would be able to join the Meet platform through Zulu and vice versa.
Okay, thank you so much for the questions. And Avik, I think let's end the session now. I will share your presentation with the team and the partners, and my team will contact them as well for any requirement.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sure. Great. Thanks, Rohan. And
yes.
Thanks everybody for joining us today.
Abiola, I think you just sent me a chat. Yes, you joined the session late. I will send you the entire recording of this webinar to each and every one of those who attended to refer back to the presentation. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.